Hi guys, this is Manish and I welcome you to our new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, we're going to look back at this, the fully automatic washing machine from the Samsung. It is of the 7 kgs and look back at the features, what are the interesting features that the Samsung is giving him in this washing machine. I brought it to the offline, and if you want to do the comparison in the online versus the offline, I got it the much cheaper rate as compared with the online version. Almost, as you can say, almost over 2000 rupees difference into the online into the offline mode. So let me just straight to take you the features of this Samsung 7 kgs or the fully automatic washing machine.
So this is the Samsung 7 kilograms of the washing machine, and this is the fully automatic washing machine from the Samsung. It has a various feature. You can use this machine as in semi-automatic or the fully automatic depending on the usage that you like to have. Let me quickly go to the side of this washing machine and show you that what are the different things which we are getting inside this machine. So over here you can see just an over to hold the machine like this very smoothly onto this Samsung washing machine. And if I come on the back you're able to see the single outlet which is of the cold water. No hot water has been given over this washing machine, only the single outlet of the cold water is to given into this Samsung washing machine. And over here beneath that you're able to see one outlet pipe which you can directly connect it to any outlet of the pipe which you are using into your home. And moreover, if you come inside, once into inside you're able to see this tub, the tub which is used to wash your machine. And over here you're able to see the rollers, and with the help of this rollers it determines that what kind of weightage or what kind of your clothes is weighing, and depending on that it will depend on the time it has to run to wash your clothes. Full fully automatic, from washing, from rinsing and from spinning, it all depends over here. And moreover, if you come onto this side, over here you're able to see this brush bar over here which you need to clean after every wash. One of the cool things which I liked it is of this magic dispenser. This is the magic dispenser. It has a rotating spring over here, so every detergent will not be holding over here and it will come down to your clothes like in the form of a foam. So this is from the magic dispenser. Even you can use this for any sort of liquid detergent if you want to use it. And on the side you're able to oversee the 3-year warranty and the 12-year warranty on the model which is running this drum. And over here you're able to see the digital inverter technology. Once you power on, you're able to see the different kind of settings in the washing cycles, which is normal, super clean, quick wash, delicates, aqua fresh, jeans, padding, rinse plus spin, eco tub clean, and this is used to select your cycle. Now over here you able to see the 3 kind of icons over here, which is again just for your normal kind sort of water usage. Over here it will determine the time or depending on the clothes weights inside your drum. This is for your delay, and if you want to start your machine approximately around 4 hours or 5 hours, you can do it over here. This is for the drain, and this is the water level which you can use it. Like if you see 7, 8, the time is again going to increase depending on that water level you want to use. This is for the wash time. As I told you that you can use it for almost for the rinse purpose separately like a semi-automatic. Same here, and same here for the spin cycle. Over here again it is for the intense wash. Intense wash is just nothing if you want to do your washing thoroughly of every clothes. If they are getting very much dirtier, you can do this intense wash. And this is for your spin cycle. If you have a monsoon or the rainy season, you can select it. It will give an extra 30 minutes or 15 minutes of the more of a spin and make to dry your clothes more faster into the monsoon or into the rainy season. So this is the whole panel of this Samsung washing machine. So if you have any questions or suggestions, do comments below. Do let me know in the comments below that what sort of washing machine do you like the most, whether it is the semi-automatic or the fully automatic. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.